Well, I think there is a future technology platform here with crypto. I've been saying this for the last year that just because there's a future technology platform doesn't tell you what the pricing should be. And the price action got decoupled from the level of progress in the space. You should always be looking at what is the real usage, use cases, customers, revenue, things like that. And people stopped doing that. And I think part of the reason why the narrative was so powerful, if you go back to last year and the chart that Chamath showed about the increase in the price of Bitcoin, which is really the root of everything, right? Because, first Bitcoin appreciates. And then if you think about it, like Ethereum's market cap is like a derivative of the Bitcoin market cap. It's been roughly 40%. And then the altcoins sort of get the market cap of the altcoins is sort of derivative off Ethereum's market cap. So the whole thing kind of moved up in sync. And the reason why Bitcoin moved up so much is that as the Fed kept printing more and more money, you had fans of Bitcoin saying, look, the Fed is debasing the US dollar. We're going to need an alternative currency. That was a powerful narrative that the Fed seemed to be vindicating. And there was a positive feedback loop, which is the more the Fed debased the currency, the more that the price of Bitcoin went up. Now, the reason the price went up was not because they were debasing the currency. It was because they were creating so much liquidity that it created a liquidity effect that then drove up the price. And so
consumers had money that they could buy Bitcoin because there was more money in the system.
Yeah,
so you created more buyers of Bitcoin.
That's exactly what happened. All of this idiotic narrative. Sorry, go ahead, Sachs.
Yeah, you saw an increase in speculative investments across the board, including but not limited to crypto. So again, when the Fed prints too much money, it creates asset bubbles. But there's a powerful reinforcement because as the Fed was printing, Bitcoin and supporters of Bitcoin had a really great explanation for why Bitcoin was going up, which is they're destroying the US dollar. We're going to need an alternative soon. Now, I think in the very, very long term, could Bitcoin be a non-fiat currency? Yes. I actually think the technology works. You could create a new kind of currency that's backed by math and by cryptography as opposed to fiat government. But that could take a really long time. That could be decades in the future. But what happened is the market started thinking, well, that's going to happen soon. And that's where it just got ahead of itself. That was the tulip part of it.